Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorophyll wax. First, ensure your skin is clean and completely dry before application. Next, gently heat the wax until it reaches a smooth, liquid consistency, being careful not to overheat it. Always test a small amount on your wrist to ensure it's a comfortable temperature. Finally, gather your waxing strips, if your wax requires them, and a soothing after-wax lotion to prepare for a smooth process. Once the wax is ready, apply a thin, even layer to your skin, following the direction of your hair growth. If your chlorophyll wax requires strips, place one firmly over the applied wax, pressing down to ensure good adhesion. Then, hold your skin taut with one hand and with the other, quickly pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Continue this process, working in small sections, until all unwanted hair is removed. Chlorophyll wax offers several advantages for your skin. It's known for being gentle and suitable for all skin types, helping to minimize redness and irritation. The natural chlorophyll helps protect your skin from adverse reactions, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. With consistent use, you may notice that hair regrowth becomes finer and less dense. Many formulations also include beneficial natural herbs and beeswax, which nourish and moisturize your skin during the process. After waxing, it's crucial to soothe your skin. Apply a gentle after-wax lotion or oil to calm any redness and moisturize the treated areas. For the next 24 hours, avoid direct sun exposure, hot baths, or harsh skincare products. To keep your unused chlorophyll wax in optimal condition, store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Always ensure the container is sealed tightly to prevent contamination and maintain its creamy consistency for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.